Let's talk about fasting and praying. Last year I did a 21-day fast with my Todd Church. And when I tell you it was life changing to me, I thought I would never ever can do that because I am a true foodie. I love to eat. I'm thinking about eating right now. But just like Jesus said, we do not live by bread alone when the devil tried to tempt him. And I feel like a water fast, just like Jensen Franklin was just talking about, is the most powerful fast you can do. All that fasting this and fasting social media and fasting cigarettes and fasting that ain't nothing. Fast food, only water for 21 days. And the devil is a liar if they say you cannot go without food. Because you can go without food up to 45 days and probably even longer. But I'm just saying, scientists say 45 days or whatever. You can go without water for 3 days per scientist. Probably longer with God. Who knows? But God. When I tell you, when I fast, brain fog left. It's like you don't know you have brain fog until it's gone. You start thinking clearer. You start feeling better because your body, you already have fat stored in your body, and it would nourish you. Period. Point blank. This is only for believers and Christians, so don't hop in here talking about this and that, because I don't want to hear it. If you're not a believer in Christians, what you even doing over here? Just to argue? And then y'all want to say why you want to force this down people's throat. Nobody forcing nothing down nobody's throat. You can just block whoever talking about whatever you don't like. Period. Back to the program. Fast this year, and you're gonna see life changes. You're gonna see life changes mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, financially, everything. And it's hard. It's hard. Just like he said, you should get a accountability partner to hold you accountable. Because when I fast last year, what kept me is I was here. I wasn't working at the time. But now that I'm working, it's like I'm back to fast food junkie, which the devil is a lie. Because fast food done went all the way up. But anyways, fasting is good. I mean, I would suggest 7 days. Because after 3 days, that's when the cravings stop. And anytime you get hungry, drink a bottle of water, gulp it down. And if you're still hungry, just keep on gulping down water, a bottle of water. Keep water on you. You're going to see a change in everything. You're going to see a change in your weight. You're going to see a change in your skin. You're going to see a change. And you must pray. I mean, that's the thing. Carry around a devotional. Listen to a podcast throughout the day to keep you strong. You have to keep God in you, man. So, watch a podcast, devotional, write in your journal. And when you write in a journal, tell God everything you want God to hear. Your deepest secrets, your losses, your thoughts, what you want to improve, what you want to change, what you want God to give you strength in. Write it down in a journal. Just you and God, That's not for everybody. That's for you and God. If you don't know what to tell him, what to speak to him. Because sometimes, when you pray and stuff like that, you don't know what to tell God. Even though you have a lot on your mind, you just get flustered. So it's best to write it out and keep writing and keep writing and keep writing every single day of your fast. That's what I did, and I should go back and read some, but that would be interesting because that's what I do. But keep your head up. And I say, I would suggest for a newcomer a 7-day fast. Only water. No food. Because Jesus said we do not live by bread alone. We live by the words of God. Y'all stay prayed up. Bye.